Affirmations and guided reflection, the journey within. Take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly. Let go of all the noise, the pressure, and the weight you've been carrying. This is your sacred time. This is your moment of alignment with love, peace, and divine truth. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be for your next level of healing and discovery. Today you return home, not to a place, but to yourself, to the calm, radiant light that has always lived within you, to the essence of who you truly are. Self-love. I am worthy of love, not because of what I do, but because of who I am. I am love itself, expressed through every heartbeat, every thought, and every act of kindness I offer to myself and others. I am learning to speak gently to myself. Every word I speak to my reflection plants seeds of confidence and self-belief. I am kind to my own soul. I am patient with my process. I embrace the parts of me that are still learning to heal. My body is a temple of life. My mind is a garden of infinite potential. My spirit glows with divine love. Each breath I take fills me with gratitude for the miracle of simply existing. I choose to love myself even when I feel imperfect, even when I fall short, because love is not earned, it is remembered. And today I remember who I am: love, light, and divine creation. Self-worth. I am valuable. My worth is not measured by achievements, appearance, or approval. My worth simply is. It has been with me since birth and will remain with me forever. I release every thought that tells me I'm not enough. I am enough, more than enough. I am complete and whole in this very moment. The world may not always reflect my worth, but I no longer wait for validation. I know who I am. I know what I carry. I walk with quiet confidence, grounded in truth, knowing I am here for a reason. I honor my boundaries because I deserve peace. I honor my dreams because they were placed in me by divine design. I honor my time and energy because they are sacred. I choose to surround myself with people and spaces that mirror my light, not dim it. I am worthy of healthy love, of joy that lasts, of rest that restores, of abundance that flows freely. I am worthy of a life that feels good to my soul. Confidence, I stand tall in my purpose. Every challenge I face builds strength in me. I am not afraid to take up space, to speak my truth, to shine brightly. I have walked through fire and still rise with grace. I am powerful beyond measure, not because I have no fear, but because I choose to move forward despite it. Confidence is not arrogance, it is trust. And I trust myself completely. I trust my instincts. I trust my voice. I trust that I can handle whatever comes my way. I no longer shrink to make others comfortable. I no longer apologize for my light. I was born to radiate confidence, peace, and divine energy. With each step I take, I affirm, I am capable. I am intelligent. I am enough. I am becoming everything I was created to be. Peace of mind. I let go of worry. I release the need to control everything. Peace flows through me effortlessly when I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. My mind is clear, calm, and focused. Thoughts of love replace thoughts of fear. I no longer wrestle with the past. It has served its purpose. I no longer fear the future. It will unfold in divine timing. I am fully present in the now, the only place peace truly exists. Every breath I take carries serenity into my soul. Every exhale releases tension, doubt, and anxiety. I am anchored in stillness. I am safe in this moment. Peace surrounds me and dwells within me. Healing energy. I am healing in ways I cannot always see. Every cell in my body is aligned with restoration. My heart releases old pain and welcomes new beginnings. I forgive myself for what I didn't know. I forgive others for what they couldn't give. Healing is not about forgetting. It's about freeing myself to love again. Divine energy flows through me like light through crystal, illuminating, cleansing, renewing. I am healing from past wounds, from emotional scars, from silent battles that once weighed me down. Each sunrise reminds me that renewal is constant, that joy can be reborn from ashes. I am patient with my healing. I do not rush the process. I trust it. The same power that created galaxies is healing me from within. I am whole. I am radiant. I am healed. Inner peace. I am learning that peace is not found in perfect circumstances, but in surrender. I release the need to fight every storm. Sometimes peace means being still and letting God fight for me. I rest in divine alignment. I no longer chase what is meant to find me. I no longer struggle to be understood by everyone. My peace is too precious to be placed in the hands of others. I breathe deeply, and in that breath, I find God's presence, calm, quiet, and ever near. Thank you for listening.